Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Rome, Italy, and I'm at the Four Fountains. Quattro Fontane. Quattro Fontane, that's right. Anyway, let's take a look at these four fountains, shall we? You know, the hard part about these four fountains is they're just on these two major streets, but these are the fountains. And they're good enough that they made the list. I'll get out of his way so I don't get hit. So that's one, there's two. Let me get over, oops, to this side. And you can see it up there. Via delle Quattro Fontane, four fountains. And this lady and her goose. Cool. And then one more. And here we go. Okay. The four fountains. It's pretty cool. And you can see straight down that street. I think that's Borghese, or not Maggiore, Santa Maria Maggiore. I always say Maggiore or Borghese when I want Maggiore. But anyway, here's the four fountains again. One quick second. Very cool. That's it. Bye everybody.